Is your YouView remote not working? Don't worry. Most remote issues can be fixed quickly at home. Let's start with the most common solutions. First, the most common issue is battery related, accounting for 60% of all remote problems. Replace the batteries with high quality alkaline batteries, or for extended life, use lithium batteries, which can last up to 24 months. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to remove any corrosion from the battery compartment. This simple step can restore proper electrical connection. If battery replacement doesn't work, try reconnecting the remote using this updated method. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds, then press and hold both the TV button and OK button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Reinsert the batteries while still holding both buttons. Continue holding until the YouView logo appears on your TV screen, then release the buttons and wait for automatic pairing confirmation. This updated reconnection method has significantly reduced connection issues. The pairing is successful when your remote responds to the TV menu. Most users find these initial steps solve their remote problems completely. When basic repairing doesn't solve your YouView remote issues, we need to try more advanced troubleshooting methods. These include reset procedures and addressing signal interference. First, try a soft reset. Hold the play and TV buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. The remote LED will flash 3 times when the reset is successful. If the soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset. This is a more comprehensive procedure that clears all remote settings. If reset procedures don't solve the problem, signal interference might be the culprit. Let's examine common sources of interference and how to address them. Wireless routers are a common source of interference. Move your router at least 2 meters away from your YouView box to reduce signal conflicts. LED lighting can also cause interference with your remote signals. This diagram shows how LED circuits can affect nearby electronic devices. Bluetooth devices operating on similar frequencies can also interfere with your remote. Temporarily disable Bluetooth devices to test if they're causing the issue. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most remote issues without needing professional help. Studies show a 78% success rate with these DIY methods.